How to clean mildew out of washing machine by using these two ingredients. I can imagine that most of you have problems when it comes to cleaning mildew out of the washing machine, right? It smells really bad and it is very toxic, but somehow it needs to be eliminated. Well, I can also assume that there is rarely a person who actually loves doing the laundry. Most of us are looking for some easier and quicker way to do that, aren't we? This is the main reason why we don't pay attention to the washing products we use for cleaning. In fact, these products are extremely toxic and can cause a number of health problems, especially skin problems. These products have a high content of harmful toxins. To be more specific, there are more than 100 volatile compounds found in 6 most common washing products that are not put on the label. What is worse, many of these compounds are carcinogenic. Moreover, these products can contribute to the development of mildew inside your washing machine. It is well known that mildew is very dangerous as well, and the fact that you are washing your clothes in a machine where there is mildew indicates that this can only have a negative effect on your health. So, here comes the question, how to clean mildew out of washing machine without putting your health at risk. How to clean mildew out of washing machine and have clothes clean of toxins. Fortunately, there is an easy, simple, natural, and cheap way to clean the mildew out of washing machine. With the help of only 2 ingredients, you will be able to clean your washing machine and your clothes. How can you achieve this if not with baking soda and white vinegar? These 2 super effective ingredients will save your health and money. Moreover, this powerful combination will whiten your clothes and eliminate the stains from them. At first, it may sound weird to use vinegar for washing clothes, but the truth is that vinegar does not leave the stinky smell when is combined with baking soda. If you want to wash your colorful clothes, it is recommended to put baking soda and vinegar in your washing machine where your washing products need to be. Just mix a cup of baking soda with 4 liters of water. Put your white clothes in it and let them soak. Then, squeeze them and that is it. You will notice how your white clothes are fresher and whiter. Next, you should leave them in the same mixture during the night, and in the morning, you should add 1 cup of white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide and wash them. Let them soak for 30 minutes, then wash them again. You will be amazed by the results. Your clothes will be whiter and stainless like never before.